What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Those don't got nothing to do with this video, but I just got to react to the Alabama Tennessee video, and that was those no me video because that shit was lame and we lost. So I don't really give a fuck about that. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. I'm fully awake now for every other video that I react to tonight. I feel sorry for whoever gotta watch the Alabama video. They're like, why you dozing off for? I got me some cake. Anyways, I'm done stalling. Still wasting y'all time. Let's get into the video. We got number 6, Miami versus Louisville. I heard it was a shootout. Nah, this is okay. I'm just gonna leave it up there. Yeah, I heard it was a shootout. So yeah. Nothing like that sorry ass Alabama game. The Alabama crim shit tied. Crim shit. Go so damn shitty. Okay, Louisville. My first time ever watching Louisville play. God damn. First play? Damn. About that? Okay. I know who Cam Ward is though. I know who Cam Ward is. My first time watching any of these teams play, but I know who Cam Ward is. Fall down. Fall down. Oh, good play. Good pass. God damn, he fell. God damn, he fell. Ah, shit. Talk about the look, yeah. Third 26. That was Hulk column. Hey, that Hulk column. That Hulk column. I promise. I said I wasn't gonna work today, but obviously they need me out there. Look at it. Look at it. Hand inside. Obviously they need me out there to work, cause if they don't see that horse collar and I see it and they right in front of them, it's a problem. You know, kicker. Bye bye. You got you in the field, y'all. Last kick I watched the Tennessee game, me brother made him home. Okay. Like you been coming, bro. Them uniforms so damn pretty. This nigga fast. Who is that? What's his name? I need his name. I guess that. Look at this shit. W block, by the way. Holy shit. W block, by the way. Y'all not gonna see that shit. Y'all not gonna pay attention to the block right here by the left tackle. Look at this shit. Or the guard. Move the fell away. Yeah, but it's just too slow. Yeah. Got his ass rolling over like a bowling ball. Dumbass. Get the fuck out the ground. Yeah. You number 7. What the hell you reaching for? Okay. Getting baked by a nigga that's 6'2", 230. Crazy work. Watch him right here. Look. Bam. God, boy. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Whoever you is, wrap it up. Wrap it up. You know, after the season, you might well go on Indeed. You can go on Indeed and find your job. Mhm. 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 The tackle. He can't start busting. I got all day. Got all day. Wish Alabama quarterback could do that. One? Only you one in college, you got two. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, three Mississippi, four Mississippi, five Mississippi, six Mississippi, seven Mississippi, eight Mississippi. Might have all motherfucking day. I'm about to say, this shit getting outrageous. 10-7, Miami up 3. Ward, Getting the second quarter. Damn. Shit. He thought that was a 6. He thought that was a 6. Pause. No Diddy. Huh. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. He thought that was beautifully. Look at. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. My God, all fucking day. My God, he got all day. That's why he's so relaxed. He got all day. He texting me. He on the phone with his wife, his girlfriend. Tell him what time the gang bill, what time he gonna be home. Tell him what she want to cook, the meal and the sides. Tell him who they play next week and what's the game plan and shit. My God, I'm motherfucker there in the pocket to make a throw. I can go get open with that much time he got. Okay. That nigga fast.
Broken collarbone 2 straight years. Broken fibula in 2023.
Hey.
Against the grain, gets it complete to Colin Lacey. They want him to play a big role today. 2nd and 10. Quickly gets it complete on the slant. Chris Bell shooting inside the 5-yard line. First.
Almost.
Louisville. Play action. Chuck to the end zone. Touchdown. Cardinals.
17-14. Louisville ain't bullshitting. Louisville ain't bullshitting. God damn. They keep saying how much he weigh. They glazing. Drop that man dick.
As he checks down to Fletcher, who breaks free. Look at the big strut.
You got all this space, fam. You had all this space, fam.
How frustrating for the defense when you made a great 3rd down stop prior to that. And now Fletcher again. And Fletcher is running downhill at this point. Just a check down. Fletcher just went for 11 more yards. Ward.
Oop, they better him. They got him. By down time. Y'all letting his ass sit back there and play GTA. Offline.
Lacey from the 6-yard line, he feels that. And he made a good decision in doing so.
Hey.
Most of it. By the way, there was a penalty.
I ain't keep up with Louisville. Oh, they call flag. It's gay.
At the 3-yard line, a chance to double up before half.
It's gay.
Brown's going to go. The ball's loose. The ball is loose, and it's going to be a Miami touchdown. The ball got
Nah. Hold the fuck up. It's an 18-minute video. We're only 6 minutes in. And there's been some crazy shit going on. What the fuck? I'm wasting my time watching Alabama play. I should have watched this game.
Brown's going to go. The ball's loose. The ball is loose, and it's going to be a Miami touchdown.
24-14, just like that. God damn. What's your name?
Let's show you the penalty. This is what put the Miami defense in position. That little hold on the left side of your screen.
Flag, okay.
And you mentioned a good return, gets him out past the 20-yard line. Instead, they're backed up. You hand it off to Isaac Brown. He's got
boom!
On it, but Ruben Bain gets his shoulder right on the ball. And then Aguirre jumps over the top into the end zone to pull that one down. 2nd and 1. By the way, Donald Chaney now the running back. He gets the carry here. And that is after Brown, the outstanding true freshman, fumbled the ball that was recovered for a touchdown. 2nd and 10. Chuck sidearms it underneath. Check down to Chaney, who turns the corner, makes a man miss.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. Niggas out here playing like that. Ain't no fucking way. You would think this shit was Madden, my boy. You would think this shit was Madden. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. You running, you got a lot of yards to think about what you gonna do. You just some shit. Both of y'all need to just like wrap it up. Wrap it up. Y'all in Miami, y'all can go, or whatever the fuck y'all live. Y'all in Florida, y'all can go find y'all a good job, find y'all something to do. Do some construction or some shit. Go build some shit or some shit. But playing football, shit. No one he kicking their ass. He used to play for him. He know that's some shit. Good catch. Look, damn. Capri Sun did this in there. Excuse me. Alright, got him. Holding that ball. Holding that ball. Gotta get rid of that ball. You got to get rid of that ball. You need them. Fuck it. I'm going for Louisville. Fuck it. Fuck it. This. No way. No way. God, what is going on, cuz? What is going on, cuz? Oh. It is. They tried to cheat. Look at them. They tried to cheat. Come on, Louisville. I'm going for y'all. Bam. Shit. Come on. I'm up now. I promise. The Alabama game was so fucking shit. I'm in there dozing off. I'm up now. I'm up. Come on. 18-6. Oh, get down. Come on. Blow the whistle, Ralph. You just standing right there. 11 seconds left. Oh shit. Time out. Oh, good shit. 24-17 going to the half.
Reels here with a reminder to subscribe as we're trying to hit 650,000 this week. I also want to let you know I made a different kind of video yesterday. I reacted to Game 3 of the ALCS between the Yankees and Guardians. Thank you, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Appreciate you. Oh. Yeah. I wish can't even talk. That might so shitty. I wish Miro had that type of accuracy. We would have won the game today. Oh, get up out of there. Louisville, y'all got to do better. Come on, though. You get stopped. Who the fuck is who?
Let's take a look at the end of the catch here. Restrepo. Well, he's put his body on the line a couple times. Some pretty big names to be associated with, let alone to pass.
Oh, what's he gonna do? Okay, long return or touchdown? Oh, 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 good block, good block, good block, good block, good block, good block. Oh, oh, oh. 31-24. Come on, Louisville, get a stop. God, this is 7 of y'all right there. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. I know I'm not supposed to be going for nobody in the reaction video. I know I don't give a fuck. You go watch it regardless. Fuck. First of all, should have been a tackle for loss. Because it's 3 of y'all right here. Ain't no way you're supposed to get around y'all. But guess what though? Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Yes, sir, I see it. Yep, right there. Yep. Yep. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I still fuck with you though, Cam Ward, but look at that. Bam. Move. Come on. I'm more excited for this shit than I am for my own damn team. This shit terrible. Want me to see it? To me. Oh! Fucking dot, nigga. Fucking dot. Ja'Cory Brooks, I heard that name before. He must transfer to Louisville. I heard that name before from somewhere. But look at the dot. Look at this fucking throw. I wish Miro could throw like this. Would have won the game today. But anyway. Y'all got me out my body right now. Hold the fuck on. Let me move this shit to the side. 4th and 1. Ah, shit. This big bitch right here. And this nigga that's like 260 or some shit they said. Oh shit. Oh. Hey, no way y'all let this nigga do this. Y'all let this nigga out here look like he fucking Vic. Look at this shit. Step up. Still got hit. Still. I wish Miro could do shit like that, but you know. Oh, he fell down. I thought he scored. Alright. You ain't hear from me. I really don't care what you did hear from me. Top 3 Heisman, Genty, Cam Ward, and whoever else the fuck you want to add in it. And the dude and the quarterback from Oregon. The quarterback from Oregon. Easy. Easy. Come on, Louisville. Oh, I got 4 of them hoes. Shit. Yeah. Do him. Do him. Oh, fake punt. Fake punt. 38, 31. Late 3rd quarter. That was so long. They didn't know what the fuck was going on. No way you showing this lame ass nigga right now, bro. Ain't no way you showing this lame ass nigga right now, bro. Sorry. Oh. That's where I knew that nigga name from. That's where I knew that name from somewhere. Ja'Cory Brooks. That's where I knew that nigga name from. He used to play for fucking Bama. Now look at his ass. cooking shit.
And here goes Brooks again. Former Alabama Crimson Tide receiver.
Give me a second, y'all. Give me a fucking second, y'all. Give me a fucking second, y'all. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. I knew that nigga knife from some fucking where. Sorry, YouTube. Just give me 1 second. Alright. Alright, I ain't pausing no more. This shit too damn good to be pausing. Up there. No, what? Look at him, fucking him, pass interference. Then you gonna do that, bitch ass nigga. What's up with you, cuz? Defense, sorry ass nigga, holding me and shit. Your bitch ass back. Come on, Louisville. 38-31. Beginning of 4th quarter. Sorry ass nigga. Why did we let Ja'Cory Brooks walk? You too slow. Touchdown. 38-30. Come on now. 38-38. Good throw. No way you let him score.
Brown with another big play. Here's Ward as he gets it complete. Allen again.
Touchdown. God damn, Louisville, y'all defense can't do shit. Y'all don't got no damn defense. Shit, boy. Come on. God damn. Get your little ass up. Hey, that nigga Lacey go crazy. What the fuck? That nigga Lacey go crazy. Get rid of it. Fuck. Intentional fucking grounding. Shit. Third 22. Good D. Fuck. Come on, defense. We need to stop. Shit. That's not a good start. We need to stop defense. 45, 38, 8 minutes left. Fuck. 7 minutes left. Still down 7. Come on, Louisville. There you go. Sack. 3rd-17. Get him. You gotta get him. No way you just let this man run for 17 yards. Yeah, do him. Look at Michael Irvin. Do him for sure. Fumble! That's a fumble. Take it to the crib. This commentary is elite. What the fuck? Was it going for it? No. 33 get a stop. Fuck. Good stop. Come on. Fuck, this nigga running this. God damn. God damn, look at his ass. God damn. Hey, Drug takes him. Drug takes him. Drug takes him. Number 12. It ain't for you. This sport ain't for you. This is a grown man sport. For what I'm saying, you got to you on the ground and shit counting sheep. Then whoever the fuck you is gonna tackle. It's 1, 2, 3, and one him. And somehow he brung all. It's 4 of y'all. Wow, 4 of y'all. And Drug test him. That's the dude that weighed like 280 or 290 or some shit like that. No, that ain't him. Hey, it ain't know it. 52-38, 3 minutes left. Y'all still got 3 timeouts and 2 minute warning. Come on. You guys go quick though. Oh. Oh. Yup. Oh. Ah, shit. Alright, we need throws down the field. We don't need no throws behind the line of scrimmage. Oh. Oh. Ah. 4th and 8. Oh, P.I. Oh, my God. Oh, P.I. Oh, my God. I seen that. Yeah, you did it, my boy. You did it. Come on. 4th and 9. Need some. Oh. Lacey. I got to follow him on Instagram. Oh. Oh. Is that Lacey again? Or is that Brooks? Like, why did Alabama let him go? We don't got nobody to throw the ball to. But Ryan Williams. Everybody suck. Look at Ja'Cory Brooks cooking. This nigga Ja'Cory Brooks is cooking. Onside kick. GG. 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 Holy shit. That's the best game I've ever had to yet. Holy shit. Holy shit. But fuck Louisville, y'all playing so fucking good. Alright, final score. Number 6 Miami 52, Louisville 45. Miami get the dub, still undefeated. Cam Ward for right now is the Heisman leader. Until Genty play next time, we're gonna see what Genty do. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, cause I know damn sure I did, leave a like, come subscribe.